Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Subaru Impreza hatch, stock reference number 4595. This shape runs from the 4th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has a large dent on it. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims, the left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors have multiple small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has 4 small dents. Right front door has 6 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy steel mag with a steel wheel with a average tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.